Today's project will focus on the element space. You will need your elements booklet and tracer, a pencil, and your choice of media, possibly scissors, glue, or a permanent marker. Let's take a look at what space means. One way to show space is to overlap parts of an artwork to create a foreground, which is the very front here, middle ground, which is right in the middle of the horizon line, and then the background, the very top of the horizon line and the sky. In this project, you must showcase the background, middle ground, and foreground in your panel. Overlap is the key technique here, and I love how this panel always ends up with the most creative solutions. This one will be right next to your texture panel. Place your image and trace it. Now I can add in the details. You decide if your picture is going to be the foreground, middle ground, or background, and then add details from there, filling in wherever you need them. I am drawing a flower in the foreground, so that makes my hummingbird in the midground, and then I will draw some mountains in the background. Now it is time to add color. I decided to go with colored pencils because I could show some value in shading, which will help me get my picture to look more realistic. Here's a tip when working with your colored pencils. Don't use just one color and color in, say, my flower completely pink. That would look very flat and boring. I chose several different colors of the same shade and added spots where it would be darker, places where it would be lighter. And even in my light spot, I didn't just do a white. I went with a yellow to make it brighter. Try that in yours. Remember to flip it over and label your element on the back of your panel. Here's another example for you to consider. Here's a third example. and the last example of space I have for you. In every example, I made sure to have something in the foreground, middle ground, and the background. I can't wait to see what you come up with for your space element. This one is so much fun.